Tommy, big boy.
Whoa! Actually, you're such a good big sister. Look at how cute. How you doing, sir?
Tommy, yay! He will not look at me for nothing. Come towards me. Come towards me.
Oh, I wish you were standing in front of him when he did that. Tommy, look! Look, Tommy! Tommy, look! Oh, dearly. He's like, oh, look at you!
Your sister's... Hey! Your sister's out of breath.
He didn't move his feet.
Oh my God! He figured it out.
By accident. That's so funny. He's trying to push on everything else, but it's not working. I was trying to figure out how he did it.
Look at those shoes. Oh no, not this side. Not that side. Look at those little sneakers.
Oh,
Make him walk.
You wanna walk? Wait. How do you get down? How do you get down? Here. You go like this. Take a little $3. There you go. Oh! Look at the temper. Oh my gosh. Yay, Tommy! Yay, Tommy! You're not going down. So sorry. Are you ready? Come here, Tommy. Walk.
Come on, baby.
Come on. It's gonna be really hard for him in sneakers. Hey, will this little push toy that Scott made walk out here? Will it work out here?
Yeah. That I'm scared of. Because he can walk flat on his face. He can fall flat on his face. First time with shoes on.
Oh my gosh. How cute. No. Let's get a red ant next to it, buddy.
Alright.
Oh god, he looks so adorable in these shoes.
He doesn't like them.
They're probably